Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we voiced the sentences used in daily life. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
Tom didn't shoot anybody.
Tom didn't shoot anybody.
I'll buy a calendar.
I'll buy a calendar.
That's something worth considering.
That's something worth considering.
They opened the door.
They opened the door.
He overcame many difficulties.
He overcame many difficulties.
Tom escaped from prison.
Tom escaped from prison.
Pick up the phone.
Pick up the phone.
They treated me well.
They treated me well.
Tom still hates me.
Tom still hates me.
Tom isn't welcome here.
Tom isn't welcome here.
Beautiful woman, isn't she?
Beautiful woman, isn't she?
Can I sleep out?
Can I sleep out?
I can't allow it.
I can't allow it.
Who wants more coffee?
Who wants more coffee?
Could you initial here?
Could you initial here?
We're not getting anywhere.
We're not getting anywhere.
This desk is broken.
This desk is broken.
Before autumn came summer.
Before autumn came summer.
I've seen it all.
I've seen it all.
He speaks English well.
He speaks English well.
Did you warn Tom?
Did you warn Tom?
That joke isn't funny.
That joke isn't funny.
Tom has a toothache.
Tom has a toothache.
Your parents are cool.
Your parents are cool.
Let's try this again.
Let's try this again.
Please show some consideration.
Please show some consideration.
We should change something.
We should change something.
Didn't I mention that?
Didn't I mention that?
I won't tolerate it.
I won't tolerate it.
Tom seems really happy.
Tom seems really happy.
Do you want to play?
Do you want to play?
This is the end.
This is the end.
I've always distrusted her.
I've always distrusted her.
What makes you depressed?
What makes you depressed?
We can't satisfy everyone.
We can't satisfy everyone.
This could get interesting.
This could get interesting.
I'm not the expert.
I'm not the expert.
Tom is still waiting.
Tom is still waiting.
I've been watching Tom.
I've been watching Tom.
I like autumn most.
I like autumn most.
Please cash this check.
Please cash this check.
The police arrested Tom.
The police arrested Tom.
Close things look blurred.
Close things look blurred.
Tom could be anywhere.
Tom could be anywhere.
He lives in comfort.
He lives in comfort.
They decided to marry.
They decided to marry.
They're not a threat.
They're not a threat.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Tom won't be thirsty.
Tom won't be thirsty.
That place is creepy.
That place is creepy.
His family is large.
His family is large.
He wrote one letter.
He wrote one letter.
Use the manual override.
Use the manual override.
I have taken food.
I have taken food.
He abused our trust.
He abused our trust.
Tom can speak French.
Tom can speak French.
The baby was naked.
The baby was naked.
She has something different.
She has something different.
Tom could hardly breathe.
Tom could hardly breathe.
Why are you smiling?
Why are you smiling?
It's good to know.
It's good to know.
Tom fired his secretary.
Tom fired his secretary.
Watch what you're doing.
Watch what you're doing.
Tom likes being alone.
Tom likes being alone.
Don't open your book.
Don't open your book.
The facts are otherwise.
The facts are otherwise.
I have a plan.
I have a plan.
I can't imagine it.
I can't imagine it.
Can we talk tomorrow?
Can we talk tomorrow?
A fox came along.
A fox came along.
The telephone rang again.
The telephone rang again.
It threatens to rain.
It threatens to rain.
It's just a fantasy.
It's just a fantasy.
They were constantly quarreling.
They were constantly quarreling.
The dog is red.
The dog is red.
Tom will contact you.
Tom will contact you.
That was always so.
That was always so.
How should I say?
How should I say?
He can swim fast.
He can swim fast.
A dictionary explains words.
A dictionary explains words.
The plan has failed.
The plan has failed.
It was nothing serious.
It was nothing serious.
I major in economics.
I major in economics.
This party is dull.
This party is dull.
He is well paid.
He is well paid.
I ate fish yesterday.
I ate fish yesterday.
I doubt his story.
I doubt his story.
I just saw him.
I just saw him.
Don't you play tennis?
Don't you play tennis?
We're hiding from them.
We're hiding from them.
We could both go.
We could both go.
You lied to me.
You lied to me.
I was defending myself.
I was defending myself.
She is buying bread.
She is buying bread.
Tom was a carpenter.
Tom was a carpenter.
It's made of brass.
It's made of brass.
Is it really possible?
Is it really possible?
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Tom won't be missed.
Tom won't be missed.
Tom has no weaknesses.
Tom has no weaknesses.
I met her backstage.
I met her backstage.
Must I open everything?
Must I open everything?
They were plainly dressed.
They were plainly dressed.
It's an ecological disaster.
It's an ecological disaster.
I've burnt the toast.
I've burnt the toast.
Moderation in all things.
Moderation in all things.
They don't trust Tom.
They don't trust Tom.
What is a joke?
What is a joke?
Tom's passport has expired.
Tom's passport has expired.
Did Tom swim yesterday?
Did Tom swim yesterday?
That's not our fault.
That's not our fault.
Those horses are yours.
Those horses are yours.
We'll solve it together.
We'll solve it together.
I'm not asking her.
I'm not asking her.
Smoking isn't allowed here.
Smoking isn't allowed here.
We got along famously.
We got along famously.
They sheared the sheep.
They sheared the sheep.
Is that too hard?
Is that too hard?
The paint is off.
The paint is off.
They looked very happy.
They looked very happy.
He loves that gravy.
He loves that gravy.
I tell you this.
I tell you this.
I work among friends.
I work among friends.
My hobby is music.
My hobby is music.
When will you call?
When will you call?
Supplies were very low.
Supplies were very low.
Work is more important.
Work is more important.
I think they're wrong.
I think they're wrong.
Let's build a dike.
Let's build a dike.
I await your arrival.
I await your arrival.
Together, everything is possible.
Together, everything is possible.
Tom didn't even apologize.
Tom didn't even apologize.
Tom seems genuinely confused.
Tom seems genuinely confused.
They're shooting at me.
They're shooting at me.
Let's go skating now.
Let's go skating now.
I hate him now.
I hate him now.
I had fun dancing.
I had fun dancing.
She entered her 20s.
She entered her 20s.
Animals follow their instincts.
Animals follow their instincts.
He changed his mind.
He changed his mind.
His study absorbs him.
His study absorbs him.
She smiles a lot.
She smiles a lot.
Mind your own business.
Mind your own business.
A drunk robbed me.
A drunk robbed me.
Don't come near me.
Don't come near me.
Tom has 2 daughters.
Tom has 2 daughters.
I'm sitting right here.
I'm sitting right here.
No one can resist.
No one can resist.
Where do you write?
Where do you write?
Tom touched my hand.
Tom touched my hand.